everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have some project shares for you for Scrap Diva Designs. You can find all these die sets and paper collection at scrapdivadesigns.com. You could also get a 10% discount on the metal dies. It excludes the paper collection. You could also use my referral code. I'll put my discount code Prisgemic10 in the description box below, and also my referral link. Yeah, let's get started. So first up, I'm using this, these projects are all from the Homemade Happiness collection that just came out this month. And it's designed by Ideas de Papel, and it's really cute, this collection. I'm just loving it, and I'm making lots of projects. So stay tuned also for more. And so it's basically all this baking theme, and the colors are just so beautiful. All right, so here we have the scallop charcuterie add-on metal die that came out last year, so I thought this was like perfect for this paper collection. And so this charcuterie scalloped board has many different sizes. I just used 3 of them. There must be at least 6 sizes or more for this, and it's an add-on to the scallop charcuterie board, the round board charcuterie board. So yeah, it's so pretty. And I use this really big one, and I made it into a pocket so you can store things. So I'll show you what I stored. I stored some tags here. You can write stuff, and these tags are part of the paper collection. There's more tags here, more than you see here. Like yeah, in this cover page you see that they have these ones as well, and many more. So I'm just like, this is a really nice paper collection to have. And so this is really pretty pattern. You can write stuff on it. And this one says, just a girl who loves baking. A yummy treat for someone sweet. And then we have this really pretty flowered pattern on here. Bake like a boss, sort of like Cake Boss. And then finally we have party without cake is just a meeting. So cool. And I made this pocket by just cutting it in half, and I added some kind of like curtain ribbon here, this ruffle ribbon. And this really cute baking girl with the chef's hat is a chipboard, which is part of the Homemade Happiness paper collection. And we have some ephemeras. There's 2 different packs, so many cute images of baking. And this delicious is ephemera, and there's 2 of each image for the ephemera. So if you're interested, you can check out Scrap Diva Designs website, and you'll see all the little images that you can get. And this chipboard is really cool too. And so there's 2 of each, like I've said. And then in the back I've also added a pocket. And as you can see, this paper is double-sided pattern, so it's really great. So this is the large size. I added some charms here. She's baked some cookies, and it looks like chocolate chip here, and she's saying it's delicious. And let's move on. And here's another one that says made with love, and you can see that really nice cake, a loaf of cake here with a really nice icing, and it says made with love. And this made with love comes on in one of the 12 by 12 paper pad sheets. They have many of the phrases, baking phrases, so this is one of them. There's so many that you can cut out from that sheet, and it's really awesome. And these are all ephemeras too. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna put it into this ring here. This ring, you just push it and it opens. And I also had a ring here that you can just put in there, or you can just put it in the hole. And And the smaller one is this lady that's holding a cherry cake. How cute and adorable is that? And this one says live, love, bake. So adorable. Just love the colors. Really loving the colors. And you can make this into a flip tag. Yeah, it's really neat. And then if I make more of those scallops, it'll look like it's tiered, sort of like stacked kind of tags, which will look even like more interesting. And okay, let's move on to the next project. I can't wait to show you this one. It's this clipboard binder, and this is also from last year, the metal die set, and I just thought this project is very suitable. This die set is very suitable for this homemade happiness paper collection, because we're going to make chocolate chip cookies, and we need a checklist so that we're going to the grocery store to get these ingredients for the chocolate chip cookies. And so I made this binder clipboard with this really hard chipboard here. I had like a really hard chipboard sheet, and the metal die actually like punched out like the outline and whatever. And yeah, so it's pretty thick, so I had to like kind of like cut it out with my scissor, but it's so thick, it's so amazing. You can actually write on this binder clip. This binder clip die is actually like Scrap Diva Designs. It's so amazing. You can make it into a real binder. And all I did was I just punched 2 holes here and added a real clip onto the die set like this. Isn't that so cool? You can hang this up on the wall or on your pegboard, or you can put a magnet in the back here and put it on your fridge to remind you we're going to the grocery store, and you can write on this. And I've put some cold laminated paper on top of the paper collection, the homemade happiness collection. This pattern paper is so pretty. Yeah, and it's holographic, the cold press sheet, and you can write with your chalk marker, erasable chalk marker on this, and it's so amazing. It comes with this clip on that metal die set, and as well as many different sizes, as well as this really cute pencil. I think it also has a smaller sized pencil as well. It's so adorable, and it says recipes here. This is a really adorable rooster wearing an apron with a icing bag here. And so these are chipboard here, and this is like ephemera, these ones. And so yeah, let's go take this list. You can actually open this up, right? And take it out and bring it to the grocery store. Or you can just take this whole binder to the grocery store and check off your ingredients, whatever it is. And it's a nice size. You can put it in your purse, like your purse or your grocery bag, whatever it is. And there's also another size detailed here. So you take your sheet, there's another size sheet that's a little bit smaller than this one, and so you can use those other size clips and use it for that as well. It's just so cool. So we're at the grocery store, and I found some sugar, so let's check that off. The light brown sugar, we actually came back from the grocery store, that is. And then we stored it into this jar, and these are the ephemeras. There's so many images. It's so amazing. And yeah, you get two of them, 2 images. I mean, like the image, you get 2 of them. So it's like really awesome. And granulated sugar. We have a bag of that here. Let's check that off. And Here we have some flour, all-purpose flour that we already stored into the jar. All-purpose flour, and then we have this one. We have salted butter and chocolate chips. And finally, we found some eggs, so I think we need to go and get the rest of the ingredients. We still need pure vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, and sea salt. So yeah, so this is our checklist, and stay tuned for more baking projects with the Homemade Happiness paper collection. And so yeah, there's like these like recipe cards from Scrap Diva, like stamps and die sets. So I'm making more Homemade Happiness projects, so stay tuned, and I'll put my referral link and also my discount code in the description box below. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.